Welcome to Mentor for You. This is the first part of the international organizations. This video will be useful for all competitive examinations as well as for general awareness purposes. Everybody please like, share and subscribe. In this part we will begin with United Nations. United Nations is an intergovernmental organization. Its aim is to maintain international peace and security, develop friendly relations among nations, achieve international cooperation. Its headquarters is in New York City. Secretary General is Antonio Guterres. He is the ninth Secretary General. His term began on 1st January 2017. His tenure is for 5 years. The UN was established after World War II. It came into effect on 24 October 1945. Initially it had 51 members, but at present it has 193 members. The UN has 6 principal organs. Let's see one by one. First is General Assembly. It is the main deliberative, policy-making and representative organ of the UN. All the members, 193 members, are represented in the General Assembly. Each year in September, the full UN membership meets in the General Assembly Hall in New York for the annual General Assembly session. The primary function of the meeting is to take decisions on important questions such as those on peace and security, admission of new members, and budgetary matters. Requires a 2/3 majority of the General Assembly. So in order to conclude to a final decision, it requires a 2/3 majority. The President of the General Assembly is elected each year by the Assembly to serve a 1-year term of office. The current President of the General Assembly is Tijani Muhammad Bande. He is a Nigerian diplomat, academic and political scientist. 6 main committees of the General Assembly are: first, disarmament and international security; second, economic and financial; third, social, humanitarian and cultural; fourth, special political and decolonization; fifth, administrative and budgetary; sixth is the legal. Each member state means countries, may be represented by one person on each main committee. Member states may also assign advisors, technical advisors, experts, or persons of similar status to these committees. Besides 6 main committees, GA consists of 2 other committees, General Committee and Credential Committee. The General Committee consists of the President of the General Assembly, 21 Vice Presidents of the Assembly, and Chairman of 6 main committees. Credentials Committee. It examines the credentials or qualifications of the representative of member states and report to the General Assembly. Second is the Security Council. The primary responsibility of the Security Council under the UN Charter Act is the maintenance of international peace and security. It has 15 member states, 5 permanent members and 10 non-permanent members. The permanent members are China, France, Russia, UK and US. 10 non-permanent members are elected for 2-year terms by the General Assembly on a regional basis. The privilege of the permanent member is the veto power. Veto means to reject any resolution. So, the permanent members have the veto power. They can reject any resolution of the Security Council. Next is Economic and Social Council. It is a principal body for coordination, policy review, policy dialogue, and recommendations on economic, social, environmental issues, as well as implementation of internationally agreed development goals. It has 54 members. The current president is Mona Jewel. It is a central platform for reflection, debate, and innovative thinking on sustainable development. Economic and Social Council structures its work around annual theme of global importance to sustainable development. Next is Trusteeship Council. It was established in 1945. Its main objective was to administer and support the transition to independence and self-governance of the colonies held by the Axis powers from World War II, as well as the territories mandated by the League of Nations. Trusteeship Council suspended its operation on November 1st, 1994. Fifth is International Court of Justice. It is the principal judicial organ of the United Nations. It was established in June 1945 by the Charter of the United Nations and began to work in April 1946. Its headquarters is at The Hague, Netherlands. Its main function is to settle disputes between states and give advisory opinions on the international legal issues referred to it by the UN. The court is composed of 15 judges, 3 judges from Africa, 2 from Latin America and Caribbean, 3 from Asia, 5 from West Europe and other states, 2 from Eastern Europe. The judges are elected for term of office of 9 years by the UN General Assembly and Security Council. Next is the Secretariat. The Secretariat comprises the Secretary General and tens of thousands of international UN staff members. The Secretary General is the Chief Administrative Officer of the organization appointed by the General Assembly. As we said earlier, the Secretary General is Antonio Guterres. He is a Portuguese diplomat and politician. So that's all for today, guys. We'll meet in the next session.